Okay, so now that we're done with that, here comes the most exciting part for most people, which is the graphics card. Now, for my graphics card, I went ahead and went with the 3-fan version so that I can show you guys that, this case works for 3-fan graphics cards as well. And you guys could get the size specification on there. You guys can search it up and it will show you to make sure 100%. But most graphics cards should fit. And you guys don't need a 3-fan version. All you guys need is a 2-fan version or even one for the RTX 2070 Super. So when we want to put in our graphics card, you want to make sure that you've unlocked this part. Now, a lot of people forget to do that, so they try to put it in and it's gonna get stuck. So make sure you unlock this part, which is the slider that moves it up and down. You want to move it up, and then you want to slide your graphics card in. So sliding your graphics card in is actually pretty simple. You want to just make sure you line it up with the slot, and then just remove the wire, move it out of the way, move all the wires out of the way. Now, a 3-fan graphics card is kind of more complicated to do than a 2-fan one, but it's okay. You just want to move all the wires out of the way, and there we go. After you've done that, you want to go ahead and align your graphics card with the slot on the side, as well as your, there we go, open that slot up, and then you just want to push it in. Just push it in, just like your RAM stick. Just push it in until you hear a good pop sound. There we go. And your graphics card is pretty much secured, just like that. Simple. Now that you've done that, you want to unlock this area, push it down, and then re-secure it. And you're going to be given a graphics card screw holder when you buy the case. Unfortunately, the owner of this case lost the graphics card holder screws, so I'm gonna be just using some extra screws that I found. As long as you guys could secure these 2 pins, that's all you pretty much need for your graphics card screws. So we're just gonna push that in a little. There we go. Now, I do not recommend you guys do this, because when you do buy a new CPU, or if you do buy a new case, they're going to have every single screw you guys need. So if you guys don't want to go through the same mistake that I did, try to ask the guy or the supplier whether or not they still have the screws that the case gave. And if they do say they do, then you guys, it's gonna be much easier for you guys, even if you guys buy it used. Okay, so there we go. We want to get an Allen wrench to secure it even more. And then we're gonna secure the bottom part as well. And once your graphics card is secured, that's when you want to get your power supply wires. And then you just want to plug it in. You just want to plug it in. Just like, as I said, just like a Lego, it's going to fit perfectly. So this goes right here. You just look at the hole on the bottom and see which one it fits, which side it fits, and you should be good. So we're just gonna place one right here. And then you press it in and it clicks in as well. Then you want to go ahead, go to the other side. You want to press down until you hear the click. There we go. So now that I placed my CPU fan, this is the last step, which is placing your case over. Okay. There we go. And then if you close it, your PC is pretty much complete.